Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change a hairstyle in a photo. So this feature lets you transform someone's hairstyle using AI generated hair that blends naturally into the existing image. So you can switch between lengths, style, textures, or completely new looks. So Nano AI matches a person's head, shape, angle, lighting, and hairline, so the new hair fits perfectly. So it can simulate straight, curly, wavy, short, long, layered, or even stylish options depending on what you choose. So we'll go ahead and apply a new hairstyle to someone here. We'll go ahead and open up Gemini first. We'll go ahead and tap on the plus sign. We'll tap on gallery, and then we'll go ahead and choose a picture where we want to change the hairstyle. So this person here, I want to go ahead and change the hairstyle to a curtain style. Change the hairstyle to a curtain style, please.
Sure, here is the image.
And let's have a look at the result. So as you can see, we have this curtain style hairstyle for this person. This is what was before, and this is what the new hairstyle is. So you can try out new hairstyles without committing. This is fun for makeover edits, fashion content, or styling previews. This elevates portrait photos and selfies, and it helps users visualize real-life hairstyle changes. So there you go guys, that is how to change hairstyle in a photo on your Samsung Galaxy device.